In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design motion graphics animated posters in Canva. We'll walk through the full process step by step, from starting the right kind of project to adding your design elements, animating them with one-click effects or custom motion paths, using smooth transitions, and finally exporting your animated poster as a video or GIF. First, open Canva and start by creating a new video project. This is important because animated posters work best in a video format. On the Canva home screen, go to the search bar at the top and type in video. From here, you can pick a standard video size like video or vertical video, depending on where you want to share the poster. For social media stories or reels, a vertical size is usually best. Click on the video format you want, and Canva will open a blank video page with a timeline at the bottom. Now that you have your video project open, it's time to build the base of your animated poster. On the left side, use the sidebar to add elements like text, photos, or graphics. Click on text to add a heading, subheading, or body text and type in your message. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. Next, go to Elements to add shapes, icons, or illustrations that match your poster theme. You can also click Photos to bring in images, or Uploads to use your own pictures or logos. Arrange everything on the page so it looks like a finished static poster before you start animating. Once your layout looks solid, you're ready to add motion. Select any element you want to animate, like your main heading or a graphic. At the top of the screen, click the Animate button. Canva will show you a list of one-click animation effects. These might include things like fade, pan, rise, pop, or other styles. Hover over each option to preview how it looks on your selected element, then click to apply it. Repeat this for your different text boxes, images, and graphics. You can use subtle effects for background items and more noticeable effects for key messages or calls to action. This gives your animated poster a clear visual hierarchy. Next, if you want more control over the motion and timing, use the Create an Animation feature for custom movement. Select an element you want to animate in a specific direction. Then click Animate and look for the Create an Animation option. When you turn this on, click and drag the element across the page on the canvas to draw its motion path. Canva will automatically create a custom animation for that movement. You can adjust the speed using the slider that appears, making the motion slower or faster. Do this for any elements you want to move in a more dynamic or precise way, such as sliding an image across the poster or having text move diagonally into place. From here, you can build a sequence of animated pages to tell a simple visual story. To keep things smooth, you'll use transitions between pages. First, duplicate your current page so the layout stays consistent. On the timeline or page area, right-click the page and choose Duplicate Page, or use the duplicate button above the page. Now make small changes on the second page, like moving an element, changing text, or swapping an image. Between these two pages, click on the small transition icon that appears. In the transition options, choose Match and Move. This transition tells Canva to track similar elements between the pages and animate them as if they are continuing their movement. This creates smooth, professional-looking motion between scenes, which is great for motion graphics animated posters. You can repeat this process by duplicating more pages, adjusting elements slightly, and continuing to use Match and Move transitions. This way, your animated poster flows from one state to the next instead of jumping suddenly. Always preview your animation by pressing the play button above the page or on the timeline. Watch how the elements move in and between pages, and tweak animations or timings as needed. Once you're happy with the animated poster, it's time to download it. Go to the top right corner and click the Share or Download button. In the File Type menu, choose a video format like MP4 if you want full-quality motion with sound options, or select GIF if you prefer a lightweight looping animation for social media or messaging. Make sure you select the correct pages if you have multiple versions. Then click Download and wait for Canva to process your animated poster. Now you've designed a complete motion graphics animated poster in Canva, using a video project, animated elements, custom motion paths, smooth match and move transitions, and finally exporting it as a video or GIF ready to share.